Have you ever watched an English movie? Super excited to practice your listening. You're just 5 minutes in and you're like, wait, what was that? Was that even English? Don't worry, you're not alone. A lot of English learners feel the same way. No, your English isn't bad, okay? Just the movies use the type of English that is full of, slangs and that is super casual and filled with stuff that textbook never teach you. So in this video, I'm going to break down why English movies are so hard to understand and how you can understand them like a pro. So without wasting any time, let's jump into it. They speak super fast. In apps or in school, we hear, "How are you?" But in movies, they say, "How you doing?" or "You okay? What's up?" This is called as connected speech. Yes, where words blend together and the sounds disappear. Native speakers do not say each and every word clearly. They speak in chunks. And how you're going to fix this? Yes, shadowing. The ultimate method to, improve your English. What are you going to do in shadowing? Shadowing basically means you have to play a sentence from any movie, any scene, pause, and try to copy exactly the way that they are saying that sentence. Try to copy the rhythm, the tone, the accent maybe you want, or the attitude, like this, as if you're acting. Okay? You're not just training your ears, but you're training your mouth as well. Too much background noise. Movies isn't just dialogues. They are filled with music or explosions, people talking over each other. It feels like that your ears are in a war zone. Your brain is trying to focus on the words, but the background sounds are making it harder for it. How you can fix it? First, use headphones to block the noise at your place. Second, watch any shows at first which has clear audios if you're actually having trouble in understanding movies. So start with sitcoms like Friends, The Office, or Modern Family. They are funny and easier to understand and slow-paced. Too much slangs. Textbooks never teach you phrases like "he ghosted me," "that's sus," "you good?" But these are the phrases that are used by real native speakers, and movies are full of them. How are you going to fix it? Follow meme pages, YouTube clips, or slang accounts. If you hear something weird or any phrase that you haven't heard before, write it down and Google them later. You'll soon start to recognize the same slangs over and over again. Cultural references confuse you. Sometimes natives say stuff like, "She's like Regina George," "It's like Black Friday here," "That guy is total Ross." But if we didn't grow up in the same culture, then these jokes and slangs just gonna fly over our head. How are you going to fix it? Start watching movies that you have already watched in your own native language. In this way, you already know the plot, so you'll be able to focus on the language. Or you can just watch shows or movies that are more related to universal topic like food, travel, or daily life. You try to understand everything. This is the biggest mistake we beginners make. We are trying to understand each and every word. But you know what? Even native speakers never do that. You know what matters? Whether you're able to understand the meaning of that scene, the emotion, the context. How are you going to fix it? Relax and focus on the big picture. Switch on the subtitles if you need. Pause and replay the key moments. Over time, your brain will start catching stuff without you even having to try. So, the next time if you're watching an English movie and you feel like you're not understanding anything, no, it's not your fault. Sometimes English movies are just chaotic. So, let's have a recap of everything that we have learned in this video. First, practice shadowing for listening and speaking practice. Use headphones and start with clear and simple shows. Learn slangs from memes and shows, not from grammar books. Don't stress over cultural stuff, just enjoy the story. Focus on understanding the scene, not every word. Comment below the name of the movie that you have watched last time, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more lazy genius English tips to speak English confidently without any stress. I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.